Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about views in SQL Server. Let's go with the what is a view. Okay, a view in SQL is a virtual table that is based on the results set of an SQL query. Unlike a real table, a view does not store data on the disk but dynamically display data from one or more tables whenever it is queried. Okay, this make a very powerful tool for simplifying the complex queries, controlling access to data and enhancing the security data securities. So this will very helpful to use this one. It is for the complex queries. Okay, let's go and create the view. Okay, I already created the view and let me see show you like this is my server I have connected, and this is the database like Unilever products I used this one. This is the database. Okay, and this is the table which I have already in the server. Okay, in the database. So let me execute the query and let's see what are the output will come. So this is the output, product ID, product name, category, brand, prices and all. So I don't want to see all those things. I need some specific queries itself. So let's select start from the where category personal care. So I want to see the only the category which is indicate the personal care. Okay, let me execute this one. So see, category is personal care only. I got this one. So I want to create the one view for this one. Okay, I already created like create view PC has. So I just mentioned the what is my requirement. Okay, so I created. Okay, this is already an object name PC in the database. Okay, this is already is maybe created. Let's see. Mhm. Yes, DBS is already created. So once this is the way we have to create the view, and let execute this one. So see, whatever the I required the details data. So this is the personal care. Okay, let's see, and we can create the one more thing. I want to be show you like see select here. I just personally segregated few of the data like category is equal to personal care and brand equal to sunsilk. I am just taking this two only, and the product name as well as. So this is the data I want after creating the view. Okay, same as create view CBP. I just mentioned the category, brand, product name as a shortcut CBP. And select star from the table, and I have written the query here. So I just want to create this one. Okay, command successfully executed. And next I want to see. Okay, SCLE let stove from. I'm not going to enter all the script which I have written in the above. I just want to see CBP itself. I'm just running the CBP here. So so I got the details. So this is the way we can use the views. Okay, if you like the video, please do subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much. Here it is, and again we can see that how to drop this one. Okay, you have created the views and I want to drop this one. Simply just go here, right click where it is delete, and here we can go with the script out. Otherwise we can click here. Okay, then both will be done. Okay, it will be deleted. Unilever, this take the database, go drop view dpo.cbp, and we can execute this. Yes, it is deleted. See, let's see, the view is also deleted. Thank you for watching once again. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.